Are you a beginner looking for the perfect ski resort? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to explore the top 10 ski resorts that are beginner-friendly. Skiing can be a thrilling experience, but for those just starting out, it's crucial to find the right resort. Picking the perfect place is not just about the picturesque snow-capped mountains or the cozy lodges. It's also about the slopes, the ski schools, and the facilities that can make your skiing journey smooth and enjoyable. As a beginner, you need slopes that are gentle enough to practice your moves, ski schools with patient and experienced instructors, and facilities that cater to your needs. These factors can drastically affect your learning curve and overall skiing experience. Each resort we will cover in this countdown has been carefully selected, taking these factors into account. So, buckle up your ski boots, grab your poles, and let's hit the slopes. Let's hit the slopes and start our countdown. Kicking off our list at number 10 is Aspen Snowmass. Tucked away in the beautiful state of Colorado, Aspen Snowmass is renowned for its beginner-friendly features. It's not just the stunning Rocky Mountain views that are breathtaking here, but also the thoughtful facilities and services designed for those who are new to skiing. One of the standout features of Aspen Snowmass is its world-class ski school. With an army of professional instructors, they offer lessons tailored for beginners, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable transition into the world of skiing. And it's not all work and no play. The resort is home to gentle slopes, perfect for practicing those newly learnt skills. These slopes are wide and well-groomed, providing a safe and comfortable environment for novices. The resort also offers a variety of other activities for non-ski days, such as snowshoeing and snowmobiling, making it a versatile winter destination. Aspen Snowmass is an excellent choice for those just starting their skiing adventure. At number 9, we have the famous Niseko Resort in Japan. This snow-clad paradise is renowned for its beginner-friendly features. The gentle slopes of Niseko offer a welcoming terrain for those new to skiing, allowing you to learn and progress at your own pace. But the charm doesn't stop there. The resort is famous for its high-quality powder snow, a dream for any skier but especially for beginners. This smooth, fluffy snow provides a forgiving surface, making those inevitable first-time tumbles a little less daunting. Yet, what truly sets Niseko apart is the availability of English-speaking instructors. For those of you who are language learners as well as ski learners, rest easy. These skilled teachers will guide you through your first skiing steps, ensuring you grasp the basics while enjoying the thrill of the slopes. Niseko, a winter wonderland that beginners will absolutely love. Coming in at number 8 is the beautiful Les Arcs in France. A destination that is an absolute delight for beginners, Les Arcs boasts an impressive beginner area. Its wide, gentle slopes are perfect for those just starting out on their ski journey, offering ample space to learn, practice, and master the basics of skiing. But the magic of Les Arcs extends beyond its beginner-friendly terrain. The resort is renowned for its excellent ski schools, staffed with highly trained instructors who are passionate about introducing newcomers to the joys of skiing. With personalized instruction and supportive guidance, beginners will find themselves progressing in no time. What's more, Les Arcs offers easy access to its slopes. No need to worry about long treks or tiresome climbs. Here the mountain is right at your doorstep, ready to greet you with its snowy embrace. So whether you're strapping on your skis for the first time or looking to refine your skills, Les Arcs, a beginner's paradise nestled in the French Alps, awaits. At number 7, we find ourselves in Whistler Blackcomb, Canada. This snow-capped wonderland, nestled in the heart of British Columbia, is a paradise for those just starting their skiing journey. One of the resort's standout features is its dedicated learning areas. Designed with beginners in mind, these zones are separate from the main trails, providing a safe and stress-free environment to learn the basics. The terrain is gentle, perfect for those finding their ski legs, and the wide open spaces mean there's plenty of room for error. But it's not just the physical features that make Whistler Blackcomb beginner-friendly. The resort boasts a team of professional instructors who are there to guide you every step of the way. From your first time on skis to your first successful run down the slope, these experts will support, encourage, and teach you, turning those early wobbles into confident strides. Whistler Blackcomb, a great place for beginners to learn and have fun. Coming in at number 6 is Breen Ridge USA. Nestled in the heart of Colorado, Breen Ridge is a haven for beginner skiers. Known for its top-tier ski schools, this resort ensures that every newcomer to the sport feels welcomed and supported. The instructors are not only experienced but also patient, and they are committed to making your first skiing experience a memorable one. Breckenridge also offers designated beginner zones. These areas are carefully marked and monitored to provide a safe and comfortable environment for first-time skiers to practice their skills. The slopes here are gentle, allowing beginners to get a feel for the sport without any undue pressure. What truly sets Breckenridge apart, though, is its easygoing atmosphere. The resort prides itself on being friendly and welcoming, making it the perfect place for those who are new to the world of skiing. So if you're looking for a place to take your first steps into the sport, look no further. Breckenridge, where beginners can ski with confidence. At number 5, we're off to the Austrian Alps to visit Salzburg. Nestled in the heart of the mountains, Salzburg offers an inviting gateway to the world of winter sports. This resort is renowned for its extensive beginner slopes, offering a gentle introduction to the thrill of downhill skiing. The slopes here are wide and well-groomed, perfect for those starting out on their skiing journey. But what truly sets Salzburg apart is its excellent ski schools. Friendly, experienced instructors stand ready to guide beginners every step of the way, making learning to ski as enjoyable as it is exhilarating. And let's not forget the warm, welcoming atmosphere that pervades this charming alpine village. From the cozy chalets to the lively après-ski scene, Salzburg offers a friendly environment that makes every visitor feel like part of the community. Salzburg, where beginners can experience the thrill of skiing in the Austrian Alps. Our number 4 spot takes us to the stunning resort of Verbier in Switzerland. Nestled amidst the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps, Verbier is a paradise for beginner skiers. This resort is renowned for its gentle slopes that provide a safe and enjoyable experience for those just getting their ski legs. The resort is not just beginner-friendly, but also offers an array of excellent ski schools. These schools employ experienced instructors who are passionate about sharing their love for skiing. They provide personalized lessons that cater to your pace, ensuring you feel confident and comfortable on the slopes in no time. One cannot talk about Verbier without mentioning its breathtaking scenery. Imagine gliding down the slopes with panoramic views of the majestic Alps surrounding you. It's an experience that's hard to beat. Verbier doesn't just offer skiing, it offers an unforgettable journey, a chance to fall in love with the sport amidst the beauty of nature. Verbier, offering beginners a taste of Swiss skiing at its finest. At number 3, we return to France to explore the slopes of Courchevel. This resort is a beginner's paradise, offering an extensive area specifically designed for those new to skiing. The ample beginner zones are thoughtfully scattered across the resort, allowing you to learn at your own pace while still experiencing the thrill of the mountain. One of Courchevel's standout features is its high-quality ski schools. With experienced instructors and small class sizes, novices can quickly gain confidence and improve their skills. Whether you're taking your first tentative steps on the snow, or working to perfect that parallel turn, the expert guidance available here is second to none. But what really sets Courchevel apart is its easy access to the slopes. The resort is designed with convenience in mind, ensuring you can spend less time traveling and more time skiing. Courchevel, a top choice for beginners seeking to master the slopes. Our runner-up is the world-renowned Vail Resort in the USA. Vail, nestled in the heart of Colorado's Rocky Mountains, is a haven for beginners. With an impressive array of beginner-friendly features, Vail takes the intimidation out of learning to ski. One of the standout features is its dedicated learning areas. These zones are specifically crafted for new skiers, allowing you to ease into the sport at your own pace. Here you can practice your turns and stops without the pressure of more advanced skiers zipping past. In addition to these specialized areas, Vail boasts a team of professional instructors who are passionate about helping newcomers find their ski legs. They offer personalized guidance, ensuring you pick up the basics quickly and safely. And let's not forget about the atmosphere. Vail exudes a comfortable, welcoming vibe that makes every beginner feel right at home. You're not just learning to ski here, you're becoming part of a community. Vail, a dream come true for beginners. And finally, our top pick for the best beginner-friendly ski resort is Zermatt in Switzerland. Imagine gliding down gentle slopes, surrounded by the serenity of nature, with the majestic Matterhorn as your backdrop. That's the Zermatt experience. Zermatt boasts of a variety of slopes, with many tailored for those just starting out. The gentle inclines and wide spaces are perfect for beginners to get their ski legs. And it's not just the slopes that make Zermatt a haven for newbies. The resort is home to some of the world's best ski schools, where professional instructors patiently guide beginners through the basics of skiing, ensuring that everyone gets a grasp on the sport in a safe and enjoyable manner. But Zermatt isn't just about skiing, it's about savoring the stunning Swiss scenery, the crisp mountain air, and the unique alpine charm. Zermatt, the perfect place for beginners to fall in love with skiing. And there you have it, our top 10 ski resorts for beginners. From the tranquil slopes of Aspen Snowmass in the USA to the inviting terrains of Niseko in Japan, each of these resorts offers a unique experience tailored to the needs of a beginner. Over in France, Les Arcs and Courchevel boast gentle slopes and top-notch ski schools, while Whistler Blackcomb in Canada impresses with its beginner-friendly trails and exceptional instructors. Not to be outdone, Breen Ridge in the USA, Salzburg in Austria, Verbier and Zermatt in Switzerland all provide stunning landscapes, well-maintained routes and welcoming atmospheres perfect for those just starting their skiing journey. Last but not least, Vail in the USA combines the charm of a small town with the thrill of expansive ski terrains. Remember, the right resort can make all the difference for a beginner. It's not just about the slopes, but also the supportive community, the learning opportunities, and the overall atmosphere. So, what are you waiting for? Your skiing adventure begins now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Destined Discoveries for more exciting travel guides. Until next time, stay adventurous.